Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're well, blessed and kept of the Lord. And guys, it's that time again of making amazing recipes. If you're new here, karibu sana. If you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome. And guys, today we're going to be making fried rice or vegetable rice. So as you can see there, in my pot I had boiled some rice, and if you have some leftover rice in the fridge, use it. So guys, these are the ingredients for today. We have some peppers, garlic, we have coriander or dhania, we have some peppers, that is the yellow and red bell peppers. Chop them into the size of the peas, or almost the same size as the peas. And then I don't like using green onions because they are a little bit not that nice. And then we have onions, carrots, we have some peas. And guys, if you want your peas to remain that green, boil them with some turmeric. So that's a hack. Then we have some sweet corn, we have salt, soy sauce, and some cooking oil. And guys, remember that all the ingredients are in the description box. So basically what we're doing, we're just going to cook our veggies and then mix them with our rice. And I don't recommend adding a lot of spices in this meal. It is just perfect as it is. You can have it with anything and it's perfect. So we are going to get frying and I'll show you the rest of the procedure. So let's get cooking, guys. So guys, as you can see, our oil is already cooking in the pan and it's hot enough. So we're going to add our onions, and let me tell you guys, the sizzle in my kitchen, I love this. I know I've said it a million times, but I love just that sizzling sound. And so we're going to let our onions cook slightly, and as you can see, they've cooked slightly. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our garlic in there. Once you've added your garlic, give it a nice stir. Let everything mix up together. Just basically let the garlic and the onion mix up well. And we are going to leave it for a while, and as you can see, it's cooked well now. So at this point I am going to add my chilies, and I don't like the burning sensation of the chilies burning. So once I add my chilies, I am going to add in my carrots. And then since the carrots are a little bit hard, we are going to cook them for a few minutes because I like them crunchy, but I also like them slightly cooked. So I'm going to give that a very good stir. Let everything sip in as it should. Let the garlic and the carrots sip in. I don't know if you know the taste of carrots tasting like they're not part of the meal. And so in this meal, you want everything mixed up as it should. So that's a close-up look of the carrots, and then I'm going to add some salt because I want the carrots to cook with the sweetness of the salt. Give it a nice stir, and then we are going to let it cook for a while. So guys, as you can see, the carrots are cooked nicely. So at this point I just added my peas, and then I'm going to give it a nice stir. And as you can see, already the carrots and the peas look amazing. You can actually have this as veggies with your other meals at this point. So I mixed them well and they look perfect, but because they're already cooked and I don't want them cooked too much, I'm going to add in my bell peppers. That's the yellow and the red bell pepper. And like I said, I don't like the green one because it's a little bit bitter. So I'm going to add in my sweet corn. And remember that the sweet corn is optional, but I just advise you guys to just have the sweet corn in this recipe. It's amazing. So we're going to give it a nice stir, and guys, look at that. Oh my goodness, I just love how it looks. I can already eat it the way it looks because it's perfect that way. So guys, there are two ways of doing this. Add in your soy sauce at this point, but if you have kids and they don't like soy sauce, mix this with your rice and then add in your soy sauce. So that's what I did. I mixed it and then I added my soy sauce in the rice, but you can add in your soy sauce in the veggies so that they cook together. So that's my rice. So I'm just going to add in my veggies, And guys, make sure you cook enough veggies for your rice so that the rice does not overpower the veggies and it looks funny. So make sure you have enough veggies. So we're just going to pour it in there and mix it, and oh my goodness. So guys, as I was mixing it, that's when I added 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. So 2 cups of rice, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and look at that. The soy sauce gives this meal a very nice look and the taste is amazing. Guys, I guarantee you that this vegetable fried rice is just going, it's on another level. Literally, your guests will be asking for more. So basically, I just served it into a bowl, and there you have it, a bowl of some vegetable fried rice. And guys, there are many ways of doing this. There's chicken fried rice, there's the one that you add in your eggs, and look out for all of those. But for today, I just wanted to show you the basic, sweetest. Guys, I say this and I'm not even afraid. This is the best fried rice there is, restaurant style fried rice. So that's it for today's video, guys. Try out this recipe, tag me on Instagram once you've done it, because I'd like to show off with you guys. And then remember to like this video, comment, and I love you guys. Until the next one, stay safe, guys. Bye.